Today I'm reading to you a book called Philomena's New Glasses. This is Philomena. There's Philomena, Audrey, and Jane. Philomena had a problem. She had terrible eyesight. A pair of glasses made everything better. Now she could see her sisters more clearly. But as soon as Philomena got glasses, Audrey got glasses too. Philomena disapproved. "Audrey, you don't need glasses," she said. "That's okay," said Audrey. "I'll just wear them on top of my head." This worried Nora Jane. She didn't need glasses either, but if her sisters were wearing glasses, then maybe she should too. Now all three sisters had glasses, whether they needed them or not. Not long after, Philomena bought a handbag. It was a good place to keep her glasses. Audrey decided she needed a handbag too. Not to put her glasses in, though. Her glasses were always on top of her head. She kept snacks in her handbag. Philomena disapproved, but the snacks were delicious. Good grief, thought Nora Jane. Now I have to carry a handbag too? My arms are too short for them. I'm not even a snacker. Now all three sisters had glasses and handbags, with or without snacks. Not long after, Philomena thought that she might like to have a new dress to go with her new glasses and her new handbag. Not to be outdone, Audrey rushed out and found something to wear too. "This is absurd," thought Nora Jane. "This dress makes my armpits itch." Now all three sisters had glasses and handbags and outfits, itchy or otherwise. Nora Jane was miserable. She went to talk to her sister. "Audrey," she said, "I don't need glasses. My arms are too short to carry a handbag, and this dress is itchy." "Well," Audrey said, "my tutu is a little tight, but Philomena really needs her glasses, and I use my handbag for snacks." But not everyone needs the same things, and so it was decided that Philomena would keep her glasses. Audrey would keep her handbag for snacks. Everything was fine. Until Nora Jane got a necklace.